DigiPrint Gold Mines. Hi there, Prakash here from prakashcvs.com. Welcome to my DigiPrint Gold Mines review. I'm here inside the members area of DigiPrint Gold Mines. During this video, I will be giving you a run through or a demo of exactly what is inside the members area and how it works. In a nutshell, DigiPrint Gold Mines is how to make digital magazines. Actually, stats show that roughly 60% of magazine readers are using digitally distributed copies today. So the demand for these digital magazines are rising. And just have a look at Kindle. It's all digital only. Actually, if you see, it's all digital. And no, Kindle is crushing it on the digital magazine space and the digital book space. So here is an opportunity for you to create digital magazines, which and this course just goes very deeply into these digital marketing, how to create digital magazines and the like. So in this you will discover how simple it is to bring a recurring income each and every month with absolute minimum effort. And in fact, you will also learn how to publish 100% of this content created by you. DigiPrint Gold Mines is definitely newbie friendly, and anybody without any knowledge and with the internet and a laptop at home can create digital magazines. And no, and you don't require any copywriting experience or marketing experience, and you can start selling immediately and make money with using digital print gold mines. See, if this sounds like something you're interested in, just click on the link in the description below. That will take you to my bonus page. The bonus page looks something like this, and I have put a lot of bonuses for you. All you have to do is just scroll on this bonus page down below and click on this red button. And as of 9 a.m. Eastern on the 12th of October, this page, this sales page will be live. And so when you click on this button, it will take you to the sales page, which looks something like this. And here you just have to scroll below and just click here to get started. That's what you have to do. And the front end is going to cost you around 12.95 USD, which is an absolute steal, which is a steal for this course. And I will just take you to the course, and you will know what is there in this. It's an amazing course. Really, it's a fantastic course. I cannot say more than this. It's value for money. And no, the sales page, and this is the actually sales page, and you'll just click on this red button, and that's it. And now I don't want you to miss out on the bonuses. The bonuses what we have put in is something amazing, simply amazing. And it has taken me a long time to put these bonuses together, and I don't want you to miss out on the bonuses either. So let us go and have a look at the bonuses. I just wanted you show the bonuses now. This is the bonus page, and the bonus number 1, what you're going to get is, yeah, the bonus number 1 is around 427 US dollars. You're going to get CPA hacks part 1 and part 2, both the hacks. And in this bonus, you're getting access to a list of hacks that will help you save time and make CPA marketing easy for you. See, CPA is nothing but cost per action marketing. Here you don't have to sell any product. You just have to get the email ID of the person, or take a small survey, or if you're in US, you can also take up the pin code of that particular area, or whatever it is. Just take the phone number, or just download an app. So it's very simple things, and you're going to get paid for all these actions. So this is one bonus number 1. The bonus number 2 is you're getting access to 0 to 27,000 dollars case study. And in this bonus, this is a case study showing how Jonas Lindgren is a seven-figure marketer, and he has also told how he makes this money with email marketing. And he also is giving you a lot of tips on how to make this particular money. So this brings me to bonus number three. The bonus number three is free traffic using PDF sharing sites. This is something amazing which you really require for this particular no digital print gold mines, because you can get instant traffic. You just have to share these PDFs there, and you can bring a lot of traffic to your site, to your digital magazine, so that you can. This is a fantastic hack here. You're going to get a lot of info on these PDF sharing sites where you can sell your magazines. And bonus number four is you're going to get access to JavaScript commission bot done for you campaigns. And this will tell you how to get free and instant traffic by using traffic bots. So this is one more method of getting free traffic to your magazine. And bonus number five is the vendor bonuses, and these are the bonuses the vendor has given me to give it away to you. And these bonuses are available in the members area, so these will be available straight away to you. So he has given me a list of six bonuses. Bonus number one is traffic flood. Bonus number two is quick and dirty product creation. Bonus number three is fearsome blog traffic. Bonus number four is fearsome email tactics. Bonus number five is fearsome social marketing. And bonus number six is list building leg up. So you're going to get all the vendor bonuses along with my bonuses absolutely free of charge. Even if you pick up the front end of this particular digital print gold mines, which is going to cost you around 12.95 US. And to get these bonuses, all you have to do is scroll down, click the link in the description below, which will take you to my bonus page, which looks something like exactly like this. You have to click on this red button, which will take you to the sales page, and from there you can just have to get these. You can get the product along with the bonuses. So once you have done that, all you have to do is no. Where do you get the bonuses? That's a big question which a lot of people ask. Now these bonuses you can straight away get it from your Warrior Plus account. The moment you purchase this Digiprint gold mines, it will be taken. It will take you to a Warrior Plus page, and when you press on your affiliate ID on the right hand side corner, top corner, there it will take you to the purchase receipt page. And there what you have to do is you just have to no there is a I'll just show you here. For example, yeah, the page looks something like this for you. All you have to do is click on this green button which says access your purchase. Here you're going to get the product, the Digiprint gold mines, and just below that is a blue button which says access your bonuses. So you just have to press the blue button there, and you're going to get access to all my bonuses here absolutely free of cost, even if you pick up the front end. And all you have to do is just click on the link in the description below, and that will take you to the necessary. This one I already explained this. So the next thing is I just want to talk to you regarding the various upsells and the OTOs in this particular thing for you. Upsell number one, the front end is going to cost you around 12.95 US. Access the powerful Digiprint Goldmine software and training modules. Actually, I'm really excited about this product. I'm really excited about this product. It's a fabulous product. So, upsell number one is done for you, Digiprint, which is going to cost you around 47 US. There's a downsell on this at 37 US. This really stacks the value on. I go into some of the secrets that I have placed into and multiply your income. So this is what upsell number one is. Upsell number two is Digiprint Social. where the real magic happens. Access to over 65 videos on how to create massive audiences using Facebook groups. To do this, anything you create will be snatched out of your hands by willing repeat customers. Best in the class FB training, simply fabulous. So this is your upsell number two. If you are looking at going with a digital magazine, then I really suggest you pick up the upsell number two, because it really it's got 65 videos and which will teach you everything on these Facebook groups of how to do it. Upsell number three is unlimited traffic takeover. Here, anyone can apply to be part of a traffic empire by using your our sales page and traffic to create your own custom audiences, and you can sell over and over again. So this is the one thing what really important. And upsell number four, my digital reseller mega pack at 197 US, which is going to be given at a downsell of 97 US. So my Digiprint Gold Mines reseller mega pack. So you can buy this reseller pack if you're interested in affiliate marketing, and if you want to do affiliate marketing, you can just buy this thing and you can sell this particular the entire pack, the entire all these you can sell all these, all the price points can be yours if you just buy this reseller pack, and you can promote this particular digital Digiprint Gold Mines. So you can come and check all these prices at your own time. I wouldn't like to waste any more time on this. If you want an overview about Digiprint Gold Mines, the video is there on my bonus page. You can just have a look. Look, and now I just want to have a quick thing into the sales page of Digiprint Gold Mines. So the sales page looks something like this, and yeah, recurring income on dollars forced into account over and over again. Absolutely true, absolutely true. Because you have to see the magazine quality provided produced by this particular training. So it is really very good. So this is the sales page. See what is achieved with the awesome Digiprint Gold Mines method. So this is what some testimonials are there, and also I just like to go 1 minute. Yeah, go to the course here and show you the members area, and here are some testimonials of people who have used this product, and no the bonuses what he's giving us. And now there's 100% money back guarantee on this, which even though you don't after a month you just get back your money. So it is satisfaction guaranteed, and I'm 100% sure that nobody will return this product. I'm 100% sure. So this is the product by David Fioron. He's a guy behind this awesome product, and this person is really obsessed about giving a fantastic training to his customers. So I'll just go to the members area and show you what this members area looks like and what it's all about. See, I'm really excited about this product. Really excited about this product. The amount of training he has put in here for just 12.95 is simply amazing. Simply amazing. So the first one is the orientation module, where he's going to talk to you about Digiprint Gold Mines. Module number one is introduction to Digiprint Gold Mines, and the direction. See, the direction is very important. He talks to you about in the first module. The second module is niche selection. Niche selection part 1, part 2, and part 3. This is about module number 2. Module number 3 is naming your magazine and newsletter is module number 3. Module number 4 is content and creation. Habits and creation is module number 4. Module number 5 is creating your first digital magazine with Office PowerPoint. It's a 31-minute video. 31-minute video creating your first magazine, Office Publisher. So and with publishing with Office Publishing, Office Publisher. So creating your first magazine, 100% free, no MS Office. So that is one more option is given you. So module number 6 is creating your own download links for your magazines, and module number 7 is create a new email list and lead sign up form, create a legacy follow-up series. Module number 8 is creating your delivery pages using Klaviyo. Creating delivery pages, ultra quick version, email sign up pages using Klaviyo. This is on the Klaviyo platform. He has told all these things. Now integrating Aweber, ClickFunnels. Then he's given a full-fledged ClickFunnels training on how to do ClickFunnels, what it is, starting with zero cash, and here exactly what to do on ClickFunnels. So he's also given a thing on ClickFunnels. And module number 9 is create your own PayPal buttons. How to get your payment into your thing. Create your own sales page is module number 9. Module number 10 is the traffic. Introduction to traffic, getting traffic from my FG page to sales page. Paid traffic methods, Udemy. Create a Facebook group to prepare free traffic. Module number 11 is follow through community. So module number 12 is further monetization. Module number 13 is outsourcing. How you can outsource to different people and you can make money online passively. Conclusion and moving forward. So this is about the awesome course which gives a 14 module for just 12.95 US. It's a steal. It's a real steal what you're getting for the money. It's a bang for the buck. I would say it's a bang for the buck. This is the ultimate course, I would say, and along with my bonuses, all you have to do is just click on the link in the description below, which will take you to my to the bonus page. Just click on these red buttons, and which will take you to the sales page. And on the sales page, click on the thing, and it will take you to the payment gateway, and you can get this particular DigiPrint Gold Mines training. So if you're watching this video, there's a 50% chance that you're not subscribed to the channel, and it's a 100% chance that you can change this by kindly subscribing to this channel. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you like me and encourage me to do further videos like this, so that I can bring more and more products to you and help a lot of people in this digital marketing space.
What if you could unleash a secret system that has the 6- and 7-figure gurus out there laughing all the way to the bank each and every day with just a few simple clicks? Now this is a unique and little known system that can easily generate users hundreds of dollars each and every day when put into action. Now just think, an extra $100, $200 or $500 a day, all possible with this amazing system. Would that change your life? Now if you answered yes, then stick around as I'm about to reveal a system to you that has not only generated that money once, but it can do it over and over and over again. A system so simple that anybody can do it. Now this is a unique and new, newbie-friendly training called DigiPrint Gold Mines. Now DigiPrint Gold Mines is the first training of its kind that can take anybody, even complete newbies, by the hand, and it reveals how anybody can create simple yet multiple streams of recurring income within a crazy short time. You don't even have to do any of the work, as you have revealed to you inside DigiPrint Gold Mines the easiest pie ways to get others to do the work for you. Yes, you can use other people's work legally to profit from, and I'll be showing you exactly how you can do the same with this amazing training. And don't worry, you won't have to worry about any of the boring stuff like website building, product creation, or softwares that are so difficult to learn that most just give up before they've gotten past the first video. DigiPrint Gold Mines is none of that, just super simple, actionable, profitable training. In fact, forget about anything that you've heard about making money online as being difficult, as this is unlike any training that you've heard of or seen. Now there's just 3 simple stages to DigiPrint Gold Mines. Now that's step 1, that's purchase DigiPrint Gold Mines at the insanely discounted price that you see below. Step 2, go through the super simple and easy to follow training. Step 3, take action and watch your new assets smash recurring passive income payments into your accounts whilst relaxing and sipping on your favorite drink. Now, the best thing about Digiprint Gold Mines is there's no hidden costs or difficult website building, no crazy theories that don't work. What you're getting is simple, actionable way to create recurring income in 2020 and beyond. Now remember, Digiprint Gold Mines is new, unique, and newbie friendly. It has limitless income potential, and the only thing missing from it is you. Now you're probably thinking that Digiprint Gold Mines is out of your price range and crazy expensive. Test users have already come back to me and begged me not to release this as it's so powerful, or put a crazy high price in it so they can keep all the profits to themselves. I said no way was that going to happen. No way was I going to charge even $97 a month, which is, considering the huge amount of value that you're getting inside, that would be an absolute steal. In fact, to celebrate the launch of Digiprint Gold Mines, I've decided that I won't charge you $97. I won't even charge you $47 or $27. In fact, if you hit that buy now button below, you'll get instant access secured for a heavily discounted one-time only payment. But wait, there's more. If you act now, you're going to be securing access to five money-making bonuses worth thousands of dollars, absolutely free, to help you blow your Digiprint Gold Mine results sky high. And as always, there's absolutely zero risk when you invest in this amazing money-making training. You've got my casting iron money-back guarantee. I'm taking all of the risks. You even get to keep those bonuses worth thousands of dollars no matter what you decide. There is absolutely no way you can lose out here. So take action on this incredible offer right now, as the price you see is the cheapest it will ever get, as the price is rising with every sale. So don't wait or you will pay more. So remember, if you hit that buy now button, you're getting the special launch, heavily discounted price and the bonuses worth thousands of dollars for free. So hit that buy now button below before the price rises, and I'll see you inside the exclusive members area.